So what is a subquery? Query within a query is called as a subquery. So here in this example, you can see we have a query that is select column name from table name where condition, where column name. Okay, this is how we have the query. So this is called as outer query. Then we have a expression operator like less than, greater than, like that. Okay, and then in the bracket we have another query. So whatever there in the bracket, that is called as a inner query. So one query within another query is called as a subquery. So within the bracket, whatever is there, it is called as inner query. Outside the bracket, whatever it is there, outer query. I think if you go through the previous class video, you can understand better. Okay. So this is we have within the bracket, whatever it's there in the, that is called as inner query. Without outside the bracket, whatever it's there, it is called as outer query. So this is how we work with the query. So what is subquery? Query within the query is called as a subquery. So even we can use the query with the select statement. We can use a query with the insert statement, query with the update statement, and delete statement. In the last class, we have discussed how to use with the select statement. So here select name, comma location, comma phone number from database where roll number in first. So here the first inner query will get executed. So output of inner query will given as the input to the outer query. So this is first we'll see select roll number from student where section equal to A. So particular student roll number, for that particular roll number, I'm just displaying the details, name, location, phone number. This is how we use the subquery. Is it clear, Shivaji?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is how we use the concept of subquery. Query within a query is called as a subquery. So next we'll see how to use a subquery with the insert statement. So here we can see subquery can also be used with the insert statement. The insert statement uses the data returned from the subquery to insert into the another table. Say suppose I want to insert into the new table name, insert into table name, column 1, comma column 2. Select column name from table 1 where value operator. So I want to insert a data from one table to the another table. For that purpose, what I'm doing here is that I'm creating a customer table. So first I'm creating a customer table. So what are the data is there in customer table? I'm going to, I'll go for the new table and I'm going to store there. Example, you can see an example here. So example of this, the particular insert query is that, yeah, insert into customer BKP, like backup. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is that I'm going to insert into a new table, that is BKP, customer backup, where I'm going to store a data. How does it works? First, inner query will get executed. What is the inner query here? Select ID from customer. So select ID from customer from this table. I'm selecting all the ID. Okay, so then, sorry, select ID from customer. So once the ID is selected, insert into customer. So I'm going to insert into customer where I'm going to take a data from the customer table and I'm just inserting into this particular table. This is how we work with this insert query. Okay, insert, so query within a query. So this inner query will get executed first. Then our output of inner query will be given as input to the inner query. So what we'll do here, select star from customer where ID in. So then insert into, I'm just inserting into that particular table. This is how we work with the insert query. Okay, let me execute this particular thing. Yeah, so I just open a new query. I think my screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, one second. Yeah, I'm just sharing this particular query. Okay, first I have created two tables, that is select star from customer. Select star from customer. Okay, if I execute this particular query, what are the different columns we have? Invalid customer. Okay, customer underscore. So we need to create a table. Already have created the table. Let me see. So customer. Select star from. Select star from. I think have one second. Let me check whether I have corrected or not.
For what, ma'am?
No, it's not displaying the table. So let me check.
Yeah.
Yeah, because already I created the table so that can start select star from customer. Yeah, customer. Let me check customer table. So what are the different columns are there here? Execute it. Okay, data is not there. Select star from, I think, the customer table. So customer underscore table. If I select it, execute it, you are going to see the different column names. Okay. So what I'm trying to do here, what we discussed now in the customer table. I have entered the data. One second, let me check. I'm not couldn't remember the table name. This is not the data. Select star from customer. Customer Lalita. Let me check. So click on execute. Yeah, I'm just taken the customer ID. So what is there in my table? Customer ID, customer name, age as well as address. Select star from. We'll check, otherwise we'll just create a new table. Okay. Customer. I have created yesterday. Customer. Yeah, we'll do one thing. I'll just, anyone can you just yeah, take a photo of this table so that we can create it soon and we can work on this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Have you taken the values?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So next we'll go for creating a table. So we'll be creating a table called customer. Okay. Create table, then customer. So we'll take customer underscore 1. Okay. So create table. Couldn't find the procedure. Yeah. Create table. What are columns we have? This table.
ID, ma'am.
Yeah. ID.
ID.
Yeah. Numeric of.
Numeric.
Then name. Right.
Name.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Varchar of 15.
Age.
Yeah. Age. Numeric. Okay.
Address.
Yeah. Address. Varchar.
And salary.
Yeah. And salary. Okay. Salary of numeric of 15. Okay. Then what we'll do, we'll just enter the data into the table. We'll do the insertion. Insert into customer 1 space values of, I'm taking 1 comma, like any name will take, comma age, comma place. Okay.
Address.
Yeah. Comma salary 20,000. Okay. So that's the same thing. We'll just time being will insert 3 rows. Yeah. So I'm just entering the changing the value to then Rani, then Hyderabad, then the values. Here also roll number, I mean ID number 3, then Anita, age is 45, Chennai, and the salary is 60,000. So let me execute this. Okay, click on execute. So how to check it? Select star from customer underscore 1. Execute it. You are able to see the data. Now we go for executing the insert query. So what I'm doing here is that I'm trying to take a data from this table and I'm going to store it in the new table. So how will I do? Insert. And one more thing I should do. What I should do is that I should create another table. Okay. I'll be creating another table. Why? I'll tell you. So if you want to enter a data, Okay, from this customer 1 table data I should insert into customer 2. Am I clear? So what I'll do, I'll just create a
yes, ma'am.
table. I'll create only the table and not take any data. I'll not insert. So whatever there in this customer 1 table, that data I should insert into customer 2. So what I'm trying to do here is that what is showing error customer 1, we have right the table, select star from customer underscore 1. Okay, so what I'll do here, insert into like what's the name of the table, customer 2,
Customer table 2.
then select star from customer which one, yeah, customer 1, where id in, then select, so select id from customer underscore 1. Is it 1 or 2? 1 only, right? From customer 1. So what I'm doing here, I'm just selecting, inner query will get executed. Select ID from customer 1. What are different IDs? We have 1, 2, and 3. Then insert into customer 2, select star from customer 1, where ID in. Now if I execute this, so what if I insert 3 rows affected? So what,
Yes, sir.
yeah, how will I check now whether the data is inserted into customer 2 or not? Select,
Select star from
yeah, select star from customer underscore
2.
2. So what will be the rows in customer 2? I'm just inserting the row, whatever the rows in the customer 1, that will get inserted. Is it clear? This is how we use a subqueries with the insert statement. I'm just creating a table with the columns, but what data I'm doing, I'm just copying, inserting data one table into the another table. Is it clear, Shivaji and Sai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, this is how we do with the insert query with the subquery. Shall we go to the next one, updation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next we'll see with the updation. So here what we'll do in the updation, I want to update the data. Okay, like I want to update the data of the customers where, so what I'm doing here is subquery can be used with update query, right? The basic update table, set column name equal to new value. Already we know how to use update query. Update table name, set column name equal to new value, where operator value. So here what I'm doing here, which is the inner query, within the bracket is called inner query. This query will get executed. Based on this, update command will work. So example, if I take an example here, I want to update the data of the particular employee. It's okay. I want to update the, so what it will do, select age from customer BKP backup, where age is greater than or equal to 27. Particular age it will select. Then update customer set salary equal to salary into 25, 0.25. In the sense 25% of a salary should be incremented to whom? Where salary in, where age in 27. Okay, so where the particular age, we need to see who and all age is greater than equal to 27. So that particular person has to get an increment of 25%. Is it clear? That is how we use a update command.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then we'll go for this query. So what I'm trying to do here is that, so we have, I think, so let me check what are different ages we have. Okay, we'll take greater than or equal, it will take greater than 35. Okay, because we don't have this update. Update which table we should take? The customer table. Update the
Customer
customer
table.
table. Okay, so update customer according to us customer underscore 1. And what is the other table? New table is customer underscore 2. Okay, so here we have update customer underscore 1, where set salary equal to salary into 25%, where age in, age from select age from customer where age is greater than or equal to 27. So we'll take greater than or equal to 27 means what will happen here? So what will be the output? All the salary should be updated by how much? Yeah, how much update? All the salary should get updated by 25%. Okay, I'll just execute this.
25%.
Yeah, or everyone. Okay, if I click on execute it, 3 rows affected. What will be the output now? Which table I should check now? I should check the customer
Customer table to
customer one table, right? So if I just click on execute it, are you able to see that the salary got updated 25%? So this is how we are going to use a select query. I mean update query. Is it clear? So if I see
yes,
with
ma'am.
this, yeah. So here before we was 20,000. So here what we are doing, I'm just incrementing by 25%. So that is how we work with the update query. So I'm just selecting age from customer to where age is greater than or equal to 27. So in this only, in this also we have taken like that. So where from the customer table, which is the customer two table. So this is how we update the data from one table to the another table. Is it clear? Sai and Shivaji?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shivaji. You need to practice. You need to practice because subcode is right. Yesterday you were not there in the class. And that too, you said you didn't go through the video. Okay, go through that. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. No problem in that. Okay. Yeah, this is how we do with the update query. Shall we go with the delete query?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Next we have the delete query. You can see. So we can use a delete query with the subquery. Delete from table name where operator. Select column name from table name where condition. We know. So which is a outer query here? Which is outer query? This is called as a outer query.
Delete.
Which
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the inner query? This is called as a within the bracket. What are the query is there within the bracket? That is called as a. I mean, we have inner query. With the outside the bracket, that is called as
Outer
a
query.
outer query, right? So here, if you see an example, okay, we have a customer BKP table available, which is a backup of customer table. The following example deletes the record from the customer table for all customers whose age is greater than or equal to 27. What it is doing, it is selecting the age whose age is greater than or equal to 27. So that data should be deleted. Okay. So here what we'll do in our table, we'll be taking greater than or equal to 27. I think greater than or equal to 35. Okay, shall we go for execution? I want to delete the rows whose age is greater than or equal to 27. So that row should get deleted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here, I think the same like this only, but here we use a delete. Delete from, so what is the first table we have? The customer underscore one.
One.
Yeah, underscore one,
Underscore.
where age in, select age from customer underscore two. So what I should take here, greater than 27, what will happen? All the rows will get deleted. Okay, what I'll do here,
Rows are deleted.
yeah, what I'll do, I'll just use greater than 35. So which row will get deleted? Greater than 35.
1 and 2.
Yeah, 1 and 2 rows will get deleted. Okay, first select age from customer to where age is greater than 35. Whose age is greater than 35? So that
Okay, okay.
age will
Anita.
be selected. Yeah, only Anita will be left out. If I just select it, click on execute. One row affected. So I'll just select star from customer one. Then if I select it, click on execute. So I think we should take customer two, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
if I see the customer two, so if I click on execute it, which row is getting this deleted? What I'm doing here, delete from customer one. Sorry. So we
Customer
should
1,
delete
ma'am.
from customer one. Okay, if I execute it, so what row got deleted greater than 35, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
only 45 will get deleted. The others two will get, if I take greater than or equal to. So what will happen if I take greater than or equal to? These two rows will also get deleted. This is how we
Okay.
use a particular delete statement within a subcode. Is it clear, Sai and Shivaji?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is yeah. But you need to practice more because subcode is we have a little bit complexity. like based on the particular question given, when to use, like how to use that subquery, how will be the output of inner query will be given to the output of inner query will be given as the output to the outer query, input to the outer query. First, what we're doing here, I'm just executing the inner query. Once we get the output of inner query, that will be taken as input to the outer query. Delete from customer where age in, what is the age I'm taking greater than 35? I have 45, right? What is there in the bracket? So this query will return a value 45. Yes or no? So what I'm doing now, delete from customer one where age in 45. So who says is 45, that particular row will get deleted. Earlier, so what was the data we have? We have one more also, right? Roll 3 also, right? So that data is being deleted. This is how every time inner query will get executed. Output of inner query as given to the input to the outer query. Delete from customer one where is in 45. So that the third row got deleted, the two rows retains the same because I had taken greater than 35. If you would have taken greater than or equal to, so these rows will also get deleted. Is it clear? You understood?
Yeah, ma'am, understood.
Yeah. This is how we have a
Yes, ma'am.
concept. And